Introducing the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, an improbable yet genuine combination of hypercar speed and penthouse luxury on wheels. From a distance, its powerful, crisp lines, fighter-inspired angles, and front fascia dominated by a large Trident symbol immediately identify its place of origin. The whole body is covered in lightweight, long-lasting carbon fiber, and the design is finished with a practical aerodynamic spoiler that is unusual on RVs. Extreme performance isn't limited to racetracks, as this beast can sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a time that is embarrassing for a car in its class. It is powered by a hybrid V12 engine with over 900 horsepower and an advanced all-wheel drive system. The driver's cockpit is a technological and performance symphony once you're inside. The driver is the only focus of the dashboard, which is a single, curved panel made of Alcantara and carbon fiber. A huge, curved OLED monitor in the middle serves as your command center, showing everything from instructions and speed to a 360-degree video view of your surroundings. Haptic touch controls and an AI voice assistant that can answer all of your commands have virtually taken the role of physical buttons. This is the control panel of a future spaceship, not merely a dash. The real elegance is on show in the living area. It has a simple design, straight lines, and an open, roomy layout. Italian leather and Alcantara upholstery adorn the beautifully designed modular seats, which can be reconfigured to create a formal dining room or a comfortable lounge area. With just one touch, the panoramic roof's smart glass technology can change from clear to opaque, providing you with seclusion or a breathtaking view of the night sky. One tablet controls the whole interior, including the music system and temperature. This bedroom is the most tranquil place on Earth. It has a king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress, encircled by Alcantara and leather-covered wall panels. The panoramic window behind it, which can be made translucent or opaque for privacy, is its most striking feature. It provides a beautiful vista as you wake up. The space is kept simple and tidy by integrating storage, such as cabinets and drawers, flush with the wall. It's a haven in the spa-inspired bathroom. The shower enclosure is smooth and translucent, and the walls are made of marble-like composite materials that provide an illusion of infinite grandeur. The smart mirror has a built-in display that shows the weather and news, while the contemporary sink is a straightforward piece of art. No matter where you travel, you can always count on a refreshing experience thanks to the adjustable illumination and perfect water pressure. The Lamborghini Motorhome's kitchen is a brilliant illustration of ingenious design. It has a contemporary microwave convection oven, a flush-mounted induction cooktop with quartz stone or lightweight composite surfaces, and a dual-zone stainless steel refrigerator/freezer. A soft-close electric mechanism is used in cabinets. The kitchen's design, which minimizes noise and vibration while in operation, demonstrates a dedication to technical accuracy.